I have to tell you, I tried some of that cake that man made. It was absolutely delicious. But if you keep eating a lot of cake, you need to make sure that you are
brush your teeth,
seeing your dentist and brushing your teeth.
Absolutely.
And we got a resident dentist in here for your Carolina, and that of course is Dr. Nickles. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
Look at all this stuff we've collected for Sandy Relief. Don't you love it?
This is wonderful. This is a great outpouring.
It is.
You guys still have time to just crowd us out of the set, so bring your stuff on by. And we're going to talk with you about the holiday season, a time where you should smile in your pictures, right?
Big time. Big time to be smiling.
And yet some folks are not comfortable with that, and I understand it.
There's, it's the fear. It's the busyness of our lives. I mean, people put things off, and this actually becomes one of the busiest times of my year because people have put things off all year, and all of a sudden they realize, you know what, I've got insurance money that is sitting there. And if I don't use it,
you lose it.
You lose it. And so everybody's calling up now going, can I really get in? Can I really get in?
Well, not only that, but, sometimes you're just looking for that chance where you're off work, and at the holidays you have a few free days.
Sure, yeah.
Well, Dan, are there some insurance questions we need to ask as we end the year? Like,
one thing you do want to do, you want to look at your policies. If you have money left in it, use it because they don't give you credit for not using it, and they would prefer you not to.
Doesn't roll over.
It does not roll over, and I mean, if you got flex spending, that's one of those things that if you paid in with your pre-tax dollars, you want to take advantage of that. Your HSA money, sitting there, you've put that aside to take care of yourself. So take care of yourself.
That's right. Well, we only, after late elementary school or whatnot, that last set of teeth is your last set of teeth.
That's supposed to last you a lifetime.
Yes.
And they can if you take care of them.
All right. And now, if someone's past that point, you have all kinds of options for them as well.
I mean, we can make anybody smile. It's from anywhere from a composite crown that we actually do right there in the office, or portion crowns that we can actually is a permanent crown we make in the office. To implants. One of the coolest things that we do, if somebody has a pair of existing dentures and they like those existing dentures, but they're tired of them, they don't fit well, they're flopping around, we can place implants in the office that day, lock your dentures in that day, and they walk out with a stable, secure smile. So they can smile comfortably with those pictures, and they're not worried about those dentures flopping around.
And it doesn't take a bunch of different visits and procedures. Same
One
day.
visit, same day.
But a crown these days, you can do that. You don't. The old traditional dentist would take an impression, and it's a long process with maybe two dentists or something. But you don't do that.
No, we do it all in one day. You come in, we actually prepare the tooth, we image it into a computer. It actually designs it. We have a milling unit that mills your porcelain crown out. We submit it that day. No second appointment, no temporaries to fall off, no coming back and give you another shot. It's all done in one visit. It's trying to make everything convenient. Nobody likes to come to the dentist, so we try to lessen those appointments. Plus, you're busy. People want to be out and about and doing the things that they want to do versus sitting in my dental chair.
Right. Well, I do like your point you made earlier, and I want to punctuate that just a little bit. That is the fact that you might have insurance money or flex spending money that's sitting there. Make that appointment now because it won't roll over, right?
We're filling up. Okay. And so it becomes a very, very, I think we saw 30 patients Thursday.
Yeah. And you work with the insurance companies, right?
We do. If you have insurance, bring your card in, bring your medical card in. There's a lot of things that we do that we can file medically also.
Okay.
Especially with the insurance, especially our county employees, Greenville County employees, have a great medical insurance that pays just about everything of an implant. And so,
really?
Absolutely. They've got a great policy. It's good that those men and women are taking care of.
Maybe we should get county jobs.
Get us a county job. Get us a government job.
The government, yeah.
Do you work with kids?
I do. I love kids. Some of my kids are my best. The things that they say and the way they are, they haven't been spoiled by the harsh, stresses of life yet.
Sure.
But, knowing you, we don't necessarily need a pediatric dentist.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well,
very good to know.
There are those.
Tell people where we can find you.
Lake Forest Shopping Center. Been there for 21 years. So
in Greenville.
In Greenville, absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
Merry Christmas. Right.
We always love seeing you.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
We still got a discount deal going on, right?
Well, it's called Charisma there in Powdersville, and the deal of the day is this. Come up a little closer. Don't tell anybody else, okay? It's a $50 gift certificate for $25, but you've got to go.
Half price?
Yeah. You've got to go to our website, yourcarolina.tv, to get the deal of the day. And they will run out, because when we do this, it runs out. You got to do it right now. Do it right now and get that $50 value Charisma Salon gift card for $25, but don't delay. It will end when the last one's gone.
Hey, we'll visit the salon coming up next.